What's up? It's Cooper, and today we're out here doing a little fishing. In the past two videos, in the very beginning, I don't know if y'all have noticed, but there's some comments about the Texas flag being upside down. I'm embarrassed to say that, but instead of just being embarrassed about it, I'm gonna have some fun with y'all and interact with y'all. And so it's gonna turn into a scavenger hunt. In the next few videos, we're gonna have something purposefully wrong. Comment down below what you think they're gonna be. So enjoy the scavenger hunt, and the more you participate and comment, the better chance you'll have of winning. For those who get it right, we will have a drawing in the future. Got one. Come on, run the drag. Come on. Oh, it's a big one. That's a big one right there, boys. That's a big one. Oh my gosh, that's a big one. That is a nice sized fish right there. Oh. That is big. That's a pretty big fish. Oh yeah. That is a good sized fish. For right now, at this time of year, that's real green fish. It's an old fish. And I caught him on the Lowe's Mach 1 on a drop shot. This is a good fish. I caught him right off of this log. Today I want to introduce you to some friends of mine, the Lemans kids. They live in Grimes County, about 200 miles away from here. And they're also country kids like me, and this is what they do during quarantine.
Hi, I'm Ben Lemans. Yesterday we drove some of our cattle across the road, but in the process, a couple of our calves got left behind. This morning we were able to round one up and reunite it with its mom, but there's another calf in here that we weren't able to get. So we are using our specialist to help us track down this calf and reunite it with its mom. Good job, sweetie.
Special sweetie.
All right, there we go.
Good. Watch out for that big one.
Y'all just
Calf is happy and reunited with mom. Look at that.
All right, so today we'll be shooting pistols, and that's our target. And this is a 22 revolver. You know, it's built a lot like the single action armies, like in the Old West.
All right, let's go check it out. Come on, what do we have here? That. Ooh, that's some good shooting right there.
As always, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. And y'all get, and the more you the more you, so enjoy this scavenger hunt, and the more you as always, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.